Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be doing my apartment tour. We've been here for a month and we love it so far. So if you want to see the rest of the apartment, please keep on watching. Doorway. We have flowers hanging, but we are going to put up some fall stuff. So when you first walk in, you'll look to your left, and this is kind of just, we wanted to put something here obviously so that it wasn't empty. This is actually just a wagon that collapses, and I use it to put groceries in since we have an elevator, so I don't have to carry it. And then over here, just pictures of me and my besties. And then we have more pictures, our Wi-Fi passcode. I actually got this from Hobby Lobby. And then this is the kitchen area. So what I really like about the kitchen is it's kind of dark and light, which is what I personally like. Like all white kitchens are pretty, all dark kitchens are pretty, but I kind of like how this is a mixture. And I love how it has steel appliances, which our old apartment, if you've been there, did not have that. It was all black, which was fine, but I like how this looks more modern. And then this is our living room. So this sectional actually is probably worth like at least $1,500, but we got it for I think $400. So shout out my aunt for selling it to us. We went ahead and decorated for fall and put like pillows and stuff up, and this I got from her as well as the mirror. And then this is our outside. We really like that we have a balcony that we can actually use. So this is our outside balcony, which we really love. It's a view. There's like a lake out there, which is really nice. And we have lights hanging. Our chairs, guys, we're gonna upgrade our chairs to nicer ones, but obviously it's September, so we're not even gonna be sitting outside for that long. It's about to be fall. So that is outside. And then when you come in and you're sitting down, this is our TV area. We put lights up just so that, like, obviously we're not gonna have the lights on when we like try to watch something, but they're really nice just to have like a background light. And we actually do keep this on if we watch a movie though, obviously, because it's not behind the TV. And then over here next to the door, these are actually just like extra blankets and stuff. And so like if people do come over and we hang out, like they have that. This is a hallway. Cameron's bathroom is actually right here. So her bathroom is just pretty much just gray. Her counter is really minimal, which is not like mine. But yeah, this is her bathroom. And then this is her room right here. This is just her dresser, TV, some cactuses.
Cacti.
Cacti. This is her bed. And this out here is actually our 6 a.m. alarm clock. They are building another apartment building, I think. And then this is her like mirror area. I'm sure you guys see endless amounts of photos in this mirror. Then this is her closet. I really love like the sliding door. Her closet's smaller than mine, so that's why it just has that. So yeah, this is Cameron's room. It's pretty simple, way unlike mine. This is my room. This is a mirror where I take all of my selfies, and above it I actually got this Chanel from I think Home Goods. Yeah, from Home Goods. And then over here is my closet, and then this is it. This is my closet. So over here are like robes, jackets, coats, and then above it is like boots and stuff. And then I've got like cardigans and long sleeves. So like this piece right here is like my fall, winter stuff. So obviously I'm not really touching that right now. And then it goes into like short sleeve, and then it goes to dresses. I usually wear like these casual dresses to work, and then it gets dressy. So like these are dressy dresses. I haven't even worn a lot of this. And then it goes into like long dresses, and then it goes into like jumpsuits. And then over here, this is called the Thought Selection because it's all crop tops, bodysuits, two-piece sets, and rompers. And then above it, I just have a bunch of shoes that I don't have room to store for, or I never really wear them. And then if you go over here, I have all of my sandals. These have like multiple sandals in each cubby. I collect them, I swear. And then over here are my heels. And then all down here like running shoes and shoes that like I'll wear to the gym. And then up here is like stuff that I don't use. So I actually have 2 pairs of heels that I haven't even worn yet, and then a purse and a hat. So that is my closet. It has a lot of space, so I really like that. I could even put like stuff up there if I wanted to.
See, we don't have that much stuff yet.
Literally. We're not balling out of control. And then over here is like my vanity and makeup side. So I've got like jewelry, more jewelry. Up top here are all of my sunglasses. I mean, all 4 of my sunglasses. And then I just have like makeup palettes. This is like makeup like that I wear every time. Extra stuff. I even have like hair stuff in some drawers. And then over here is where the magic happens. So this is my vanity. I actually got these strip LED lights from Menards. And then the mirror I just got from Walmart. I got this from HomeGoods as well. And then these are my brushes. I also use like a small mirror as well when I do my makeup. And then over here are just like rings and earrings that I usually wear. And then this is my laptop. So yeah, this is definitely got to be my favorite part of the room. And then over here, I just got my nightstand. I literally just need it to hold my snacks.
She's like, because I have a sweet tooth.
Yes. I have a sweet tooth. And so I got to store my candy. And then over here is my bed. So this is my favorite hello, my hardest goodbye. So I actually got this bed frame from Wayfair. I think it was only like $300 maybe. And then I got the S at Hobby Lobby. And then here's my window. It actually shows kind of the parking lot, but I love how it has the lake in the back. I kind of wish we got the other side of the building just because I'm the type of person who likes to walk around naked or barely with clothes on, like if I'm in my room, but obviously I can't do that when there's cars coming in out of the parking lot. And then in front of my bed, this is just my TV. I feel like it doesn't look like that big, but it's actually a 50-inch. So this was actually money well spent. It was a really good TV. I got a really good deal on it. I used to never have a TV in my room because I had a laptop. So I was like, if I'm watching stuff on a laptop, why buy a TV? But I actually love the TV more. And then around it, I just have flowers. I have my S that lights up. But Cameron got me this for Valentine's Day.
Focus.
And then I have like wax warmers on the side, which I actually use plugins now. And then all of this I got from Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby and HomeGoods just needs to sponsor me at this point. But anyways, then these are my drawers. Leggings are down here. So I actually have it organized. These are like joggers and sweatpants. These are workout pants, and these are like Victoria's Secret leggings just to hang out in. And then below that, I have all of my swimsuits. And then over here, I have like jean shorts, biker shorts, nighttime shorts, chill shorts, everything. All shorts is in here. And then below that, I have, these are just like all big t-shirts and tank tops. And this is my bathroom. I spend a lot of time in here as well. So if you come in to your left, I actually got this shower curtain from Walmart, surprisingly. So I kind of went with like the gray marble theme, which is why I got this. And then this is from HomeGoods as well. And I bought this shower head, which is really cool. It's an LED shower head. So when it's cold, it's blue. When it's warm, it's purple. And when it's hot, it's red. I will link that down below if anybody wants to know.
Home Depot sponsor her.
Literally. Over here, I just have my towels displayed. Obviously, I'm gonna need that when I get out of the shower. And then over here is my like smell good stuff. So this is like my sprays and lotions that I use every day. And then I have like Q-tips, hand soap, face wash. And then over here is actually stuff that I use like every day. So my toothbrush, moisturizer, hair products, deodorant. And then in the corner, like all my vitamins. So I have melatonin gummies and woman's once a day vitamins. And then in my drawers, I have like extra razors. If you don't use men's razors, what are you doing with your life? And then I just have like extra brushes. These are actually blow dry clips, but I use these like to section off my hair when I curl it and straighten it. Do I look cute?
So cute. Literally so cute.
Literally. And then down here is just extra stuff that I don't need. This is my bathroom. And then when you leave my room, you've got a lovely washer and dryer. Okay, so then this is our washer and dryer. Obviously, you're gonna need that. And then above it, we have like our seasonal stuff, so our Christmas tree. And in those boxes, we have like Halloween stuff, Thanksgiving stuff, Christmas, all that. So we actually need to go ahead and start decorating. But yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching my apartment tour. We've only been here a month, but we love it so much so far. And thank you, Natalie, for filming. So go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I post. Thank you so much for watching.